Okay, so this video will show you how you can add affiliate links to your Instagram profile. Now this works whether you've got a small account or a small business, or you've got a relatively larger account. It works with all account sizes, and you can use this method to add affiliate links to Instagram so you can start making money. Now there are two different ways that people generally add affiliate links to their profile. The first one being they use a website called Linktree. Now if you look here, Jamie Oliver actually uses Linktree. And he uses Linktree. We'll click on this link, and you can see when we click on Jamie Oliver's Linktree, we can see all different types of links that we can click on and go to. And what we can do is we can create a page similar to this on Linktree and add our own affiliate links in these boxes here. Now this is the first method. So to do this, what you first need to do is go ahead and go to Linktree. So once you're here, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account, and you can create your account on Linktree. Now if you go to pricing here, you can see that this is completely free. So we'll scroll down, and for the free plan it's $0 a month, and you can add unlimited links, and you can customize and connect with your community. So go ahead and join for free. I'll log in now and I'll show you how you can use it. Once you've created your account on Linktree, you'll have the option to add a link. So this is where you would add your affiliate links, and you can see the preview here on the right hand side. So if you go to add link, you can then enter in your affiliate link to any URL. So let's say we wanted to promote this virtual product here on ClickBank, which is a live chat job product. We can click on promote, and I'll just enter in my nickname here. We'll create the hop link, and here we can get our affiliate link, which we can then go and add to Linktree. So if you go to Linktree and paste this in, and then click add, it's going to add your affiliate link here. And if it doesn't like your affiliate link, which it doesn't here, here's a simple solution. So just copy it, and then you just want to go to tinyurl.com, and you can just shorten this. So now you've got a shortened version of your affiliate link, which you can then copy again. Then if you try and enter it into Linktree again, so you can see the shortened version, we'll go to title and we'll call this online jobs, and this could be our affiliate link for an example, and you can see it's added here to our page. Now you can customize your page in appearance here. You can change the name, you can add an icon, and once you're ready and you've added as many affiliate links as possible, you can also move them around. Look, once you've done that, you can go to your profile icon and then go next to it to share. Then you can then copy your Linktree URL, and then we'll just check this out. So here is our Linktree profile, which we've just made, and here is our affiliate link, and if we click on that, it will redirect us to obviously our affiliate links. So here is this product, and if someone was to buy, we would make a commission. So with this link, you can go ahead and copy it, and you can go to your own profile and add it in the website section. And that's how you can add multiple affiliate links. Now if you've just got one affiliate link, you could just grab that one affiliate link, shorten it with tinyurl, so get the shortened link, then you can just go ahead and add this to your Instagram section. Now the reason people use Linktree is because, well, you can only add one link on Instagram. So if you send people to Linktree, as you can see Jamie Oliver's Linktree is here, you can then send them to multiple different affiliate products.